succeed in trading, the number one core skill to learn is patience. It's not even whether your strategy is amazing or not. If you're not patient in trading, you'll absolutely never make money. And in this video, I'm going to share with you an example of why it's very essential to be patient in trading. And this is using Ethereum as a point of reference. So for Ethereum, like I said previously, if you've been watching my videos when I talk about Ethereum, I've always talked about my overall bullishness on Ethereum and my intraday bearishness on Ethereum. And right here, this key level, I'm going to outline my key levels that I'm watching on Ethereum. Right here, this was my last down close candle before expansion that broke this significant monthly high. So I'm not going to be surprised to see price want to visit this key level, at least even if it's just to tap into it one time right here, because price hasn't actually mitigated it. So this entire candle from the wicks right there, and as well as added, that's an added confluence. You can see the inefficiency resting right here. That's also an added confluence that price could potentially draw into that key level. And if we go to the weekly time frame, now the weekly time frame, as you can see, weekly time frame now has this inefficiency here, and look how nicely price mitigated it and is rejecting of that key level. So personally, I'm not trying to sell Ethereum. I never look for sells when my overall bias is bullish. Now it doesn't mean that sell is not going to work, but the reason is just sometimes you can get manipulated out of the market and you just take some losses that you just wouldn't be happy about. That is why in cases like this, in as much as I'm seeing price mitigate weekly inefficiency, yes, I would want to prefer to see 1 hour break of structure, and right here, solid low, solid high, solid break. So price could still want to revisit this key level right here. Price can still want to come in here for a mitigation before a continuation to the downside. But am I going to sell it? Hell no. Why? Because I'm bullish, and all I'm looking for is an opportunity to buy this. I'm not looking for opportunity to sell it. Yes, I've marked it up looking at this from the range high, range low on the intraday level. Anything above this line here is a premium. This is equilibrium. Anything above it is premium, and price mitigated that premium, and a weekly inefficiency there, daily inefficiency there. So a lot of confluences ranging from the weekly inefficiency to daily inefficiency to premium mitigation. So a lot of things are aligning that price could potentially drop off from here, but I'm still not going to sell it. And look what's resting right here. Everything resting right here. Low resistance liquidity. Absolutely low resistance liquidity. Easy targets for price to run below this kind of key levels. These are easy targets. Price can actually run below them. But I'm not going to sell it. I'm not going to look for any sell. I'm just going to mark it out what I would potentially want to do if I want to sell it, but I'm not going to put my money on the line on this. This is the reason why it's very essential to be patient. Be patient to wait for that A plus setup. And the A plus setup, in my opinion, is a buy and not a sell. And that buy, I want to see price come in here. Once we're in here, I'm now waiting for a significant 1 hour break to the upside. If I see that, then that is when I'll now look for a buy, and I'll be targeting all these low resistance liquidity.